If your flight was delayed due to technical issues, you're probably frustrated and wondering what rights you have as a passenger. The good news is that you may be entitled to financial compensation for that inconvenience, especially if the delay was due to an airline's technical problem. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps of claiming compensation for a delayed flight. The process may seem complicated, but with the right approach, it's straightforward. The first thing to know is that under EU Regulation 261/2004, airlines are responsible for delays caused by their own technical issues, and you might be able to claim hundreds of euros, depending on the flight distance and delay duration. The best part? You don't need to go through this process alone. There are services designed to make this easy for you, and one of them is Compensair. They handle all the paperwork and legal aspects for you, making the claim process hassle-free. Just fill out the details of your delayed flight and let them take care of the rest. Follow the link in the description to get started with Compensair.so. What do you need to know before starting your claim? Make sure the delay was at least 3 hours, as this is a key factor in being eligible for compensation. Also, the technical issue must be something within the airline's control, like mechanical failures or maintenance problems, but not extreme weather or other extraordinary circumstances. When you're ready to submit your claim, you'll need some basic information, like your flight number, delay time, and possibly a boarding pass. The whole process can be done online in just a few minutes. Airlines might try to avoid paying out compensation, but by knowing your rights and using services like Compensair, you can improve your chances of success and get the money you deserve. Now's the time to act. If your flight was delayed due to technical issues, don't let the airline get away with it. Follow the link in the description to start your claim with Compensair and get your compensation. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications for more useful tips.